children! My name is Teacher Jane and welcome back to Gymboree Play and Music channel. So today we're gonna have fun and exciting experiment that you can do at home. Before we start with our experiment, we're gonna need some empty container. We're gonna have the watercolor. We're gonna need some cup. And then we have here our baking soda, and this one is vinegar, and we have the oil. First thing we're gonna do is to put a baking soda inside the empty container like this. Okay, this is enough with a 2 scoop. And then after that, we are going to pour some oil inside the jar. Okay, this one must be enough. So after we put the oil, we're gonna need the watercolor. So you need this small cup. And then first, we have to pour some watercolor like this. And then put the vinegar, pour some vinegar, and then we're done. So wait until I pour this watercolor and vinegar inside the container or the jar. And see, look at this. Look. The lava experiment is an engaging science activity that illustrates chemical reactions and the concept of density. This hands-on experience stimulates curiosity and enhances critical thinking skills through careful observation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.